splash around and start to sing. Joy is such a bubbly thing. With a wiggle here and a giggle there, we show each other how much we care. The bestest team you've ever seen in our world of blue and green. Oh, I love my friends, it's true. From the deep green lake to the ocean blue. With a wiggle and a giggle and a happy dance, friendship is a beautiful, bubbly chance. Yes, my heart is full and my world is bright when my friends are here. It's a pure delight. Bubbles the fish has a shimmering scale. He wiggles his fins and he wiggles his tail. He's quick and bright in the morning light, dancing around, what a happy sight. When I feel sad or a little bit small, Bubbles is there to give me a call. He tells me jokes and makes me grin. I'm so glad that he's my kin. Oh, I love my friends, it's true. From the deep green lake to the ocean blue. With a wiggle and a giggle and a happy dance, friendship is a beautiful, bubbly chance. Shelly the snail moves nice and slow. She shows me the places where the wildflowers grow. We share our snacks and we share our toys, making a world full of friendship and joys. If I trip or if I fall, my friends are there to give their all. They pick me up and dust me off with a gentle nuzzle and a happy scoff. When the sun begins to set, it's the best day we have had yet. We huddle close, a snuggler crew. I love them more than the ocean blue. Hand in hand and heart to heart, we never ever want to part. Yes, Axie loves his friends so much, the world is sparkly at their touch. Oh, I love my friends, it's true. From the deep green lake to the ocean blue. With a wiggle and a giggle and a happy dance, friendship is a beautiful, bubbly chance. On a cozy rock or a sandy bed, with happy thoughts inside my head, I close my eyes and I start to dream of my wonderful, colorful friendship team. I love you, my friends. I love you. I love you, friends. You make my world super sparkly.